Hi there guys, in today's video with VinylCut, we'll be looking at the path feature called front minus back and back minus front. Let's have a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have a variety of different softwares we cover, and also we do upload videos daily, so keep an eye out for any new content. Well, if we head into the program here, now let's say we want to make this right cutout on this card shape. Then if we just look at our layers panel here, the important thing of this tool is the order of the layers, or the position of them. So as you can see, we have the cutout, which is this red cutout, and the card. So at the moment the cutout is a layer higher than the card. So if we let's just align these quick. We select both. If we drag the selection box nicely over both shapes, then we align to right side, and then make sure to selection is selected and not to page. So then if we select this, we align to right, and then we make sure we align on the vertical axis to the middle. So now everything's nicely aligned with our shape still selected. To locate the path tool or feature, we'll be going on top here to path. Then you'll see we have your front minus back and back minus front. Now a good way to remember this is kind of like you're gonna, let's say the back minus front, so you're gonna keep the back layer, in our case it will be the card, and you'll minus the front, so the front will become the cutout. Now likewise, if you want to use something in the back, you'll use the front, so we'll keep the front and minus the cutout from the back. So let's just have a look quick. We'll do the back minus front. Another way we can do this, so if we have both our objects selected, we right click and then we go to path, and then you will see we have the same options here, front minus back and back minus front. So now if we select the back minus front, you will see there it cut out the right cutout. We've got a bit of an overlap here, but you can always fix that afterwards, or rather when you align your tool. So now we equally try it the other way around. So let's just move this so we get a nice cutout. Now we select both our shapes. Now let's go on our layers panel. Yeah, let's first move this actually. Then we click and drag and move the cutout under the card. Now as you can see, the cutout's under the card, so we select both, go to path. Now we're going to go front minus back. Now when we select this, like I mentioned, it's going to cut out from the back and only leave the front. Now as you can see there, now it's done the same. Now we've also have the border away because we moved it nicely. Well, if we head to our website, yeah, and that is that is the basics on that. And yeah, it's a great tool to create custom borders for cards and so forth. Otherwise, yes, yeah, on our website, if you navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video and more videos like it. As you can see, we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And also, we have a search option here if you want to look for anything specific. Otherwise, also, if you don't find what you're looking for, you'll see we have this option here, request a training video. Then we'll make that video for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.